Welcome to Time Analytics. In this video, we'll show you how to add team members to your Time Analytics account so you can start tracking your team's time effectively. There are two ways to add team members, manually or by inviting them via email. Let's start with inviting members. To invite members, click on the Team button in the navigation bar. Next, click on the Invite Members button. Enter the email addresses of your team members and click Invite. Once invited, your team members will receive an email with a registration link. They can then create their account by entering their email and a password. If you prefer to add members manually, simply click on the Add Member Manually option. Here, you can enter the necessary details for each team member, including their name, email, assigned teammates, clients they manage, cost rate, billing rate, and role. Be sure to enable the team member so they can access Time Analytics. You can also assign them a role based on their responsibilities within the team. And that's it. You're now ready to add team members to Time Analytics and start tracking your team's time efficiently. Thanks for watching.